Let's just take a moment to adore and admire my new air conditioner.
Put your head on my shoulder.
I know y'all saw my air conditioner in the intro, but sis was too loud. I had to turn sis off. Too much background noise. Sis was blocking out my voice, and y'all know I talk soft. So today, guys, I am going to be showing y'all my designer shoe haul. Again, I had to redo this video because it literally started glitching. You guys do not know how many times I have to redo a video because of some issue. But I'm going to be showing you guys the designer shoes that I recently ordered online, and I will link everything down below. And I think I spent over $3,000.
You stupid. You stupid. You stupid.
On these shoes. Over, sis. I'm not even saying $3,000. I'm probably saying over now that I think about it, y'all. So just stay tuned. I'm gonna be showing you guys my babies because I do not regret spending this much. I love shoes, especially designer shoes, so just stay tuned. Hey my good people, so my first baby is gonna be the Yeezy 700s. Oh my god, I love these. I got these in this color pattern. They sell different color patterns, but prices may vary. These cost $470 from a website called the Flight Club, and these are actually the cheapest shoes in this video. So the bottom, on the inside it says 700, and I really love these. This is my baby. Mwah. So yeah, I'm also going to be trying on all of these shoes in this video, so stay tuned because I'm gonna be coming back with the try on. So these are the shoes, guys. They are a European size 39, which interprets to an American size 9. Y'all, if I get these sizings wrong, please don't come for me. But they actually interpret to a men's American size 9, so I should have ordered a size lower because obviously I'm not a fucking man. So that's why they're kind of big. But they're still comfortable and I still wear them, and all I have to do is tie them very tight and wear socks and they won't slip off my feet. I still love them. So y'all, I actually ordered a second pair of Yeezys 700s. They cost $705, also from the website called the Flight Club, but they still have not arrived. And I think it's because Miss Rona flying around. Like, things are very delayed. Where are my damn shoes? They still haven't fucking arrived, and I've been waiting for them. It's long awaited, y'all. I've been so excited for these shoes, but they still have not arrived. Thank you, Miss fucking Rona. But I'm gonna put the picture up on a screen so y'all can know what I'm talking about. And let me know if you guys want me to review them and review more shoes, but we'll talk about that in the outro. So my second baby are these really cute Balenciaga speed trainers with a heart at the side. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Aww. So y'all, I tried to look online because I forgot the website I bought these from, so I tried to search online before I filmed this video to remind me, but it just wasn't reminding me, you know what I'm saying? And I ran across some websites and it kept on saying currently unavailable and sold out. So I'm going to link all the possible websites down below if you guys want to check these out and buy these. So these are really cute. I ordered these in the European size 39 as well, which also interprets to a size 9, but they are kind of small on me. I tried them on before, but I will try them on for you guys again. And they're really comfortable as well though, guys, and they're just really cute. I spent like around $800, I think. I'm gonna link everything down below, all the possible websites, all the possible prices, and I will try these on. So guys, these are the Balenciagas, and they kind of make me look taller, but I don't even care. They are so cute. You guys should go check them out. And they are kind of tight, but they're really comfortable and really easy to put on, and I really love them. So yeah, y'all. And my third baby are these Christian Louboutin So K heels in tan. They are in the tallest heel. I forgot how many millimeters or centimeters the heel was, but I got them in the tallest heel. I don't fucking know why, because I'm fucking tall already. If y'all ain't know that already, even my mom was like, why these heels so tall? Yeah, I don't know. But They're so cute, and I originally ordered these for prom, but obviously prom isn't happening, so I had to make use of them, and I wore these to my drive-through graduation. Yes, we had a drive-through graduation, and I wore these, and honestly, had a hard time walking in them. They kind of hurt, but I'm gonna be trying them on and showing y'all what I mean. These cost $695 at the Christian Louboutin website, link down below, like I said a million times. And yeah, red little bottom, and they come in this little box. It says Christian Louboutin on the front. They come in these little fancy little bags, Christian Louboutin, you know what I'm saying. And yeah, I'm gonna go try these on for y'all, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so these are the shoes, and they are so cute. I got them in a European size 39, which interprets to a women's American size 9. And they really make my calves look very feminine. And I can barely walk in these, guys. But they are still so cute. Okay, y'all, and my last baby. I know y'all be saying save the best for last, and I'm doing that this damn time because I love these shoes, but I dread putting them on because they are so tight. But I ordered them in a European size 38, which is a 7.5 or 8, so that's probably why they're so tight. But it is the very cute off-white Chuck Taylor all-star vulcanized Converse shoes. My baby, oh my gosh, I am so obsessed with these shoes. They're see-through as well, and they costed $1,183.85, bro.
Are you dumb, stupid, or dumb? Huh?
So from a website called Sneakers and Stuff. Yeah, y'all are gonna whoop me for spending all this money, but they are so adorable, and I will use these shoes even if it takes me an hour to put them on, because it takes me about like 20 minutes to put them on. But I really love these, and I will be trying them on. So guys, these are the shoes. I finally put them on, but they fit just right. They're just high top, so that makes them hard to put on. But oh my gosh, these shoes are so cute. These are like one of my favorite shoes. You know, they have the typical shoelaces, words and quotations on the shoelaces, and left words and quotations on the shoe, and I really love it. Okay guys, that is all for today. Let me know if y'all want to see more shoe videos and more shoe reviews and more shoe collection videos, because trust me, I'm coming at y'all with so much more. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment if y'all want, click the bell icon so you can get notification every time I post a brand new video, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.